So I met these homeowners at an open house. They came in one Sunday, pretty quiet, and told me they were there just to look at finishes because they were building a home. So as usual, I always ask questions of where you building, what you building, and they told their story, which was they experienced something that nobody in life would want to experience. They had an electrical fire at their home. Started out on a back porch. Burned a hole pretty much right through the middle of the house, so it was a complete and total loss of the home, all the memories that they've created in that home, all their personal property. And you could tell, although they wanted to get moving forward with life change, it was really difficult for them because of what they'd experienced. And so that led us into some conversations of meeting in our KRM showroom, talking to them about what our process was. They had a plan that they thought they wanted to build. What we did was we actually went out and did some looking at some of our current floor plans, modified something that they really, really liked. And the exciting thing for me and our team was they built something that was very different than what they had. The home that burnt down, which was very traditional. They built something with a little bit more of a modern flair. But the cool thing about it is, it was something new, something fresh for them, and really, a restart of their life. And it was very rewarding to see their faces upon completion of the home. So at KRM, our focus is, making a customer's dreams come true. In this situation, we had somebody experience a really negative, tough life event, and our team sat with them, met with them, and promised that we were going to make this new chapter of their life something that they love and could create as many memories as they did in their previous home.